Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rina Zunani. I will discuss about descriptive text. Descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that describes a person, place, animal, or object. For example, describing admired feature, tourist attraction, pets, and others. And then social function. To describe person, thing, or place in specific. To describe a particular person, thing, or place. And then the generic structure. The first is identification. Contents about the introduction of person, place, animal, or object will be described. And then the second is description. Contains a description of something such as animal, things, place, or person by describing its features, form, color, or anything related to what the writer described. The language feature of descriptive text. The first is specific participant. Has a certain object is not common and unique to only one. For example, Pandangan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, Uncle Jim. And then the second, the use of the adjective, an adjective to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, the famous place in Jepara, etc. And then the third, the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the fact of the object described. And then the last is action verb. Verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut, etc. The paragraph is the example for descriptive text. Yes. The text is an example of descriptive text because it provides information about the object being described, namely Jember Regency. In addition, the text also has a structure and characteristic in accordance with the structure and characteristic of the descriptive text. Characteristic features using the simple present tense. In the example text above, all sentence using the simple present tense. Example, Jember is a regency in East Java. Jember has a total area of 3,029.3.24 square kilometer. Using adjective. Example, near, beautiful, interesting, and unique. Using unrelating verb. There are related verbs in the form of is and has. And then structure. Identification. First paragraph. This section introduces readers to Jember Regency, which we will explain in detail in the next paragraph. And then description in the second paragraph contains an explanation or description of Jember Regency by presenting some information such as Jember Regency has great place to visit. Jember Regency has an annual international fashion exhibition. Okay, thank you. That's from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.